Welcome to Tech Talk. My name is Diamond, and I'm here with Robert, one of our technicians. He's going to answer some of your questions, so let's get started. What are the benefits of the Easy Data Logger?
Okay, Easy Data Logger is a Windows application that we provide for customers who purchase our data acquisition modules. This software can be used for data logging and for creating a simple HMI application or a snapshot of their application on their PC. It works with all the series modules shown here on this screen. It includes our DCON modules, our Modbus TCP and Modbus RTU modules, as well as a few of our M2M RTU modules and our USB I/O modules. It also works with third-party Modbus RTU, Modbus ASCII, and Modbus TCP protocols. You just need to be careful of the additions. We have a standard basic edition, which incorporates up to 32 virtual channels or up to 64 I/O tags. You must have at least one of our data acquisition modules shown on the previous page connected to use the basic edition, which is free. It has these limitations shown here. We also have the advanced version, which can log and create applications for up to 1,024 I/O tags, and it can be used with third-party Modbus RTU, Modbus ASCII, and Modbus TCP devices without the limitation of one of our Modbus data acquisition modules connected. The basic edition also will communicate to third-party Modbus devices, but you must still maintain the limitation of at least one of our modules connected. Let me give you a snapshot of the software. Okay, this is our Easy Data Logger demo that comes with the software, just to show off the capabilities of the software. Let me enter simulation mode, and I'll show you some screens and what it looks like. Okay, the main screen that people use is the trend curve. This is to view the analog data and digital data in a nice snapshot to monitor a process like, say, level, temperature, or whatnot. You can isolate channels and select which channels to view, as well as have multiple work groups to display different combinations of channels. We also have a gauge screen, which you can, let me drag it over, which you can use to view and monitor using gauges and objects with animation to view statuses of like temperature or machine progress or counts. And we also have our layout screen, which you can design by dragging and dropping objects and putting a nice background, where you can use gauges and objects to visually show off your application. Let me show you this other one too. On our traffic light demo, on our layout screen, okay, this just graphically shows an application of a street corner where we're counting a number of cars passing through an intersection. It just gives a visual representation of the application as it's shown. You can create this by simply using your own background designed in like a Paint or with the actual picture, and just save that into the project and use our objects to create numerical displays and on-off objects. Okay, so as long as you have at least one of our data acquisition modules, the Easy Data Logger Basic Edition is a very simple and easy tool to use. And for more advanced applications, please consider our Advanced Edition, for which increases the number of tags that you are able to use, as well as the number of virtual channels and email alerts that you can create.
If you would like your questions answered in our next Tech Talk, send them to our tech team at tech@ICP DAS USA.com. And if you want to learn more about the products in this video, visit our website at www.icp DAS USA.com.